I'm telling you, I'm gonna kill somebody's car, bro. What happened?
Proceed to the room.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Life is like a token. See what happens if it's broken. Yeah, now it has no value. I'ma hide my scars with a tattoo.
Yeah. Shit's going crazy though, bro. We going to Ebro. I'm in fucking Florida right now, bro. Like dead ass, bro. Shit crazy though. We got the fucking clothes and shit. I got my bag. Bro, I don't think I could bring my C100 though, bro. I wanted to bring my C100, but I don't think I fucking can, bro. Like, shit's wild, bro. For real. But hopefully someone lets me use a bike over there. Cause if not, I'm kind of fucked. But I don't know, I feel confident I can get a bike. Or I'll find one, like someone will give me something, you know. Hopefully. But yeah, bro, this shit should be pretty fucking interesting. Going to the airport and shit. Yeah. What's goody, bro? I'm on my way to New York right now. I'm at Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood International Airport. Bro, I had to leave my C100, bro. I really wanted to bring it, but like I moved to Florida. I couldn't get like a bike bag in time. Like someone said I could have their bike for Ebro. So I was like, bet. So hopefully it comes through, you know. I just got on the bike, I gotta hit the ride out. I'm trying to go to Ebro Eve also. Hopefully I can do that. It's Ebro, you know the vibes. Yo, what's good, YouTube? Yes, sir. Yo, right now, I'm in my old house, bro. Like, so I moved to Florida or whatever, right? But, like, I still had the key to my old house and shit. So, bro, I just pulled up, like, I literally slept here last night and shit. This is my crib, bro. Look, my cat's over there. She was outside, bro. I let her come in, bro. I missed her, bro. Yeah, it's my room, bro. It's just dark as fuck. There's no electricity. There's, like, water and shit, but... Look, in my room, I just lit up 2 candles that were still here. Yeah, this shit is crazy, bro. See? I still have the key to it so I could come in. It's like owned by my family. That's not shit, by the way. It's syrup. But yeah, bro. Shit crazy, bro. Caddy. Hey, baby. I missed you so much, bro. You're okay, Caddy. I love you, baby. Everything works and shit. Like, the water still runs and shit. There's still gas. It's just that there's no electricity. It's the only thing. There's, like, no electricity. No electricity at all, but there's, like, water and shit. See, we got the fucking water and shit here. I'm gonna smoke this joint in here, I'm not gonna lie. We better go crazy. These gummies are mad good, no cap. But yeah, I slept here and shit. Like, I got clips from yesterday. Look, even my cat, bro. We left her, bro. The mom cat. She stayed here, bro. And like, I came and she was like under the car or something, sleeping when I came. Such a good girl. But yeah, she like doesn't want to leave me. I don't even think she's like, I don't know. I'm gonna get her some food later. Bless her up. I know she's probably hungry, I guess. You know? But yeah, shit crazy, bro. We in my old crib, bro. Like, shit wild. I wanted to go to Ebro, but like I fucked up, bro. Like, I couldn't really bring my bike, like my bike, because I didn't have a travel bag. Because since I moved, like, it was all so sudden, and like we literally moved at the same time Ebro's basically happening, like, you know, literally the same week, the day before. So, hold on, I'm gonna take this off. So yeah, shit's crazy. I couldn't really go to Ebro because like I just don't have a bike. Like somebody from Jersey was gonna let me use their bike, but I kind of sold. Like I should have just pulled up to his house, but I didn't. I kind of just chilled here. Like I said, there was no electricity, so I couldn't charge my phone really. It was kind of just dead. And yeah, we gonna like this bitch, bro. It's gonna smell like hella weed in here, but I mean the windows are open, no air out or something, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, I brought pre-rolls, bro. I normally don't do that because, you know, I could roll my own shit, but yeah. Fuck it. They're only like $10. Like, that's my boy, bro. He hooks me up, bro. I fucked with him when I used to live here or whatever. I'll give a shout out to their shit, bro. Like, this shit's fucking wild, bro. I missed the pre-Ebro, and somebody also gave me a bike for Ebro, for Ebro Eve. I'm gonna shout his shit out. Like, I fuck with him for that. Like, that was some cool shit. But like, I didn't really go. I was like, bro, I was like late, and I was in Long Island and shit. I had to wait for the LIRR. It never came. Dead ass. It literally came like every hour, so it fucked me over, kind of. Hey, bro, look, literally the next fucking train comes at like 6:47, bro. So that's tough. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Look, Caddy. Such a good cat. But yeah, bro, shit's fucking crazy. Like, I really missed Ebro, bro, you know? Look at Caddy. Bro, I wish I could, like, stay here and take care of her, but, like, she's really on her own, bro. I'm just gonna be here for 3 days with her chilling. And then, yeah, after that, it's just GG, bro, like. But yeah, that's good lighting. Yeah, bro, like, life is pretty wild, or whatever. But yeah, that's like where I'm at, I guess, right now. Ebro's literally today, it's like fucking 11 right now. But I don't have a bike to go, so I guess I'm just gonna chill here, you know? But yeah, I came to New York from fucking Fort Lauderdale. I literally planned that shit like right there, bro. I was like, fuck this, bro. I want to go to New York, bro. Like, Ebro. And I couldn't even go. And I would get like a city bike or something, but like, I don't know, bro. I'm not really trying to get charged like that. I don't even work anymore and shit, you know? But yeah, shit's fucking crazy. Yeah, everybody pull up, bro. Party at my crib, bro. Literally, look, we could go fucking crazy, bro. Pull up, bro. Pull up to the party at my crib, bro. A BikeLife party? Hold up. Go crazy, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna just end this shit because I don't know what else to do. I'm gonna just keep smoking this shit. I'm gonna just enjoy my time in New York City. I gotta go like Thursday. Ebro was Sunday, 17th. Gotta go tomorrow at 18 at like 7 in the morning at like LaGuardia. Yeah, bro. I guess this is the real goodbye to New York for now, for a while. I just gotta, you know, come back, just say what's up. Yeah, man. I'm gonna miss New York OD, bro. Hopefully I get to either just visit a lot, or I don't know, man. Maybe one day just have a crib here or something, cause like I don't know, but it's whatever. You wanna say bye? You wanna say bye, Caddy? Good girl. Say bye, Caddy, cause I'm gonna miss you also, bro. I'm look back at this and be like, damn, bro, Caddy. Caddy in my old crib, bro. Caddy in my old crib. She wanna go to sleep. Yeah, I'm gonna buy her some food later and shit, but yeah. Peace out, bro.
בגלל שהבן שלך לא יודע.
איך אתה יודע? אתה הרי לא יוצא מכאן. איזה יוצא? בשום מקום. בכל נידח שנקרא כתוב. עם הבן שלו חי, אבל...
כאן כנראה הכמה חריפים.